Hey, it's Todd Ault and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is stock dividend. Now, stock dividend is issued in stock of the company, not in cash. An example of this is you own a stock is worth $10 a share. They're going to issue you a 5% stock dividend. They will issue you fractional shares. On an X dividend date, you will get more shares put into your account. Companies do this if they think the company's growing and they want to reward their shareholders, but keep the cash. Side note, an example of this is SNFCA, a company that I filed a 13D upon and was a shareholder quite some time ago. They're an insurance company in Utah, and every year they've been issuing 5% stock dividends. So they've been issuing 5% more stock every single year to their shareholders. Today's word is stock dividend. You get stock instead of cash. Some people like it, some people don't. There's a debate about that, but today's word is stock dividend. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.